Hi everybody, could you use some good news? Well, let's start right here with this story that some of you may have heard about already. Scientists have generated new teeth using stem cells from an unusual source. Okay, it's urine. Stem cells derived from urine have been used by scientists at the Chinese Academy of Sciences to grow teeth. They're not exactly like the teeth you probably have in your mouth. They're only about 1/3 as hard, for one thing, and they're oddly shaped, but they have pulp, dentin, enamel, the whole bit. The process for growing teeth from stem cells is still a long way from being perfected. Its success rate is relatively low, and the teeth themselves aren't fit for use by humans at this point. Nevertheless, it's hoped that eventually, with some more work, this method, or one very much like it, will enable doctors to generate new transplantable teeth, custom made for each patient. Next up, astronomers at the University of Antioquia in Colombia have discovered what's being called a graveyard for comets. This cometary cemetery exists between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter in the region known as the asteroid belt. It's estimated that over 1 million objects may be orbiting the Sun in the asteroid belt. A dozen comets have already been discovered in this region. This new study suggests there may be many, many more such comets between Mars and Jupiter orbiting the Sun in a dormant state. There may once have been a large and very active comet population in the asteroid belt. The 12 active comets discovered from that region are dubbed Lazarus comets in this new study because it's theorized they were once dormant and were rejuvenated by being nudged slightly closer to the Sun by the influence of Jupiter. I don't know, personally, I would rather think of them as zombie comets. Finally, researchers from the University of Washington have published findings on a promising new treatment for Duchenne muscular dystrophy. The study found that fruit flies and mice suffering from Duchenne-like muscle degeneration responded positively when THI, a molecule found in trace amounts in caramelized sugar and products containing sugar, including cola and beer, was administered. Fly and mouse subjects who had THI added to their food and water supply improved. Muscle loss halted and muscle strength and size increased. It's important to stress that this research is still in the very preliminary stages. There's still a long way to go before this treatment is given to human patients, even on an experimental basis. Nevertheless, the potential is here for an effective new treatment for one of the deadliest of all neuromuscular diseases. And that is certainly good news. Scientists grow new teeth from stem cells taken from urine. Astronomers discover a cometary graveyard between Mars and Jupiter, and a promising new treatment for Duchenne muscular dystrophy is being developed. That's the good news. Are you happy with that? Good.